Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Okay. So one more important point is that please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already done that, so that you don't miss any regular updates from our side. Okay. So the first point that we are going to discuss is Accenture is the first company. Okay. You might have heard about the news that it is laying off 19,000 people. Okay, Accenture is laying off more than 90,000 people over the year in the next financial year. Okay, so this is the first thing. Who will be the next? Okay, who will be the next to do mass layoffs? Now, the second point we are going to discuss is the ramp down request by clients. Now, a lot of companies, employees don't know about this ramp down request. Okay, only the top management and project leaders and everyone, they know about this ramp down request by the clients. Okay, so let me tell you guys that will it be the best time to get released from a project and switch the company or not? So that we are going to discuss. And along with that, we are going to discuss the US banking crisis. Will it be a problem for IT or not? Okay, so let us begin. Now, the first important point is Accenture to cut down 19,000 jobs. Will Indian IT see spillover effect? Now, a lot of people actually don't know spillover effect. Okay, so let me give you an example. In 2008, what happened was the Lehman Brothers, like it was bankrupt. Okay, and as soon as it was bankrupt, okay, so what happened was all other banks started spilling off. I mean, all other banks started declaring bankruptcy. Okay, because this was a spillover effect. Okay, in kind of dominoes effect. So what will happen is other banks will also get the confidence, yes, that we will also declare us bankrupt. Same thing with IT company. Okay, so for example, right now big companies, right, like product based companies, Meta, Facebook, Amazon, and a lot of other companies, bunch of companies, Google, okay, Microsoft, all these companies have declared that they are going to lay off employees. They have already done it as well. Now what happens is this gives a confidence to other IT companies as well, that if these giants are laying off employees, then why should we don't do it? Okay, why we don't do it? So that is the reason this can be a spillover effect. Now here, let me just turn on the pointer quickly. Okay, so here you can see that IT major Accenture announced 19,000 job cuts on Thursday. This comes in as the company lowered its growth and profit projections in earnings call amid recessionary fears and global headwinds. Okay, so the Indian IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and others have been sharing similar management commentary since the past few quarters. Okay, does this mean similar cutbacks can be expected at the Indian IT majors? So if you want to stay away from layoffs, okay, so two things you have to focus on. The first thing is you have to be prepared for any like we call it in Hindi, anhoni, right? So you should be prepared of every situation. Okay. Second thing is that you should try to continuously upskill yourself. Okay. So by upskilling, what I mean, okay. So we have this fantastic opportunity for all of you guys. Let us discuss that first. So guys, to be safe and stay away from the mass layoff that will be happening in the IT industry, what you can do is the best option is to upskill yourself. Now, what do I mean by upskilling? So LevelUp is offering this fantastic 12 weeks of training program that will help you to start your career in the automotive embedded domain. Now, you might have heard about a lot of companies such as Tesla, Uber, Ola, okay, Tata Motors, Harman International, Denso, Delphi, Continental. All these companies are hiring for embedded engineers, okay, embedded software engineers. So that is the reason why there is a lot of scope and a lot of opportunities in this field. And that is the reason why LevelUp is offering this fantastic program. Okay, they have highly skilled instructors that employ their extensive professional expertise to teach winning strategies to crack the interviews and the exams. Okay, so that is the reason you get a very high paying job. And this is they are giving 100% placement guarantee, okay, money back guarantee. So pay no fees until you find a new job in the automotive domain. Okay, and they believe in win-win. So if you want, you can directly reach out to them. You can directly click on the WhatsApp link over here, or you can also go in the description box and you will find the link of LevelUp. So you can go over there and you can register yourself. Okay, otherwise you can directly call them on 8767204479, or you can also email them at support@levelup.edu.net. Okay, so guys, please look at this program. This is a very good program to upskill yourselves, okay, and get 100% placement guarantee. So guys, I have given the links of the LevelUp program in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Okay, coming back to the next point, that is, will there be job cuts in Indian IT industry? Okay, so Mishra said that this development will undoubtedly impact some Indian IT workers as well. And it is worth noting that the aggressive hiring at India's major IT companies in the last 2 years has left a remarkable bench size. Okay, there are a lot of employees that are currently sitting on bench from last 1.5 year or 1 year. Okay, and several hundred employees waiting to be onboarded at companies like Wipro, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Emphasis, Capgemini, L&T Mindtree, okay, among others. So a lot of people are sitting on bench. Okay, so definitely there will be some layoffs, okay, in the IT companies because the financials are very weak, and they all the IT companies are warning from the last 2-3 quarters that their financial results will not be good. Okay, so in order to tackle that, they should, or they will have to do the mass layoffs. Okay, now, the next important point is banking stress puts US and Europe on watch for credit crunch. Now, this is again one more important thing. Why? Because all these banks are facing the credit crunch. Okay, they don't have enough money or they don't have enough liquidity. I'm not a financial expert, but as far as I know, that there is a financial crisis that can be foreseen right now. Okay, so that is the reason the world is preparing for that, and you should also do it. Okay, so make sure that you have enough savings. You should have some money in the bank as well. Okay, not only in the stock market or something like that, but because there is a like fear and aggression, okay, in the current market. So the next point is that that is the reason why all these banks are actually client of TCS, Infosys, and other lot of IT companies. Okay, so they are clients, and if these people, these banks or these financial institutions, if they are facing a credit crunch, okay, they will not be able to spend on their IT wing, okay, IT projects. So that is the reason what is happening right now. A lot of people actually don't know this. There is a ramp down request by the clients. Okay, most of the American, okay, North American and the European clients, okay, banking and insurance and all the other sectors, okay, they are asking for ramp down request. Why? Because after COVID, everything went online, right? There was huge growth for digital and everything products. So that is the reason they started spending, they started putting a lot of money into the IT projects. Now they are doing a crunch down. Okay, so they are reducing the number of projects. Okay, they are reducing the number of developments or new applications that are being built. That is the reason why there is a ramp down, meaning that all, suppose if a project is there, okay, Bank of America has 1000 employees overall in TCS. Then what will happen? They are telling the client is telling that please TCS remove 500 people out of this 1000 rupees, 1000 people. Okay, so what will happen? Ultimately they will have to remove 500 people, right? If the client is stating that we don't have enough money, okay, to pay for the projects, you will have to ramp down. Okay, so that is the reason why a lot of people are actually getting releases from the project. Even a lot of team members, team leaders are getting releases. Not only the associates who are working in the project, but also the team leaders and project managers. So that is the reason why I said in the beginning of this video that this is a good time to switch. Okay, because it is very hard to get release from projects, okay, in companies like TCS and Infosys. Okay, so that is the reason it can be a good time to get release and start preparing, okay, for 3 months, 4 months, because you know, right, TCS, Infosys, they have a very low tendency of removing people. Okay, so that is the reason that this is a ramp down request by the clients. A lot of people actually don't know this. Even if you are a fresher, okay, if you want to go into any project, okay, look for projects other than banking, BFSI, banking financial institutions. Okay, so this is a fantastic opportunity right now. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. We will meet in next video.